everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It's me again. We're just making some homemade vegetable spring roll. This is the vegetable. But guys, before I will start making it, I need to put my complete uniform. And also my gloves, so everything will be nice and clean, especially when I'm doing the food. So guys, let's see. This is my vegetable spring rolls with carrots, beans, sweet potato, potatoes, and cabbage. It was my Labi made it. He's the one preparing everything. Only that I need to do is to wrap it nicely before we will sell it. Okay guys, we need to start now because we have order today. Bye for now. Love you all.